Hello and welcome to the Booking Live demo. My name is Caitlin and I'm Marketing and Communications Manager here at Booking Live. This demo will take approximately 20 to 30 minutes and will provide you with an overview of Booking Live, the administration system, booking process and next steps. Booking Live were founded in 2007 and we are based in Bristol, which is now the largest tech hub in the UK. In total, we have over 20 years combined experience within booking software and have worked with over 250 customers. In terms of our client base, we work with a range of businesses and organisations from the NHS to local activity centres. Most of our clients are based in the UK, but we do have an international presence with customers in Dubai and the US. We are proud to have a 96% customer retention rate, which is primarily down to working closely with each of our clients on their individual projects. Booking Live is more than just booking software. We tend to describe it as enterprise management software, as it gives you much more, including a content management system, a powerful report suite, and exciting integrations with third-party software, so you can manage your organisation's financials, marketing activity, and more, all from one centralised system. Something we're proud of at Booking Live is continually evolving the product to stay ahead of competition and market trends, both for our business and our clients' businesses. We have a very exciting roadmap in place, and our clients benefit from regular upgrades to the software at no additional cost. Between 55 and 65% of consumers are now browsing or booking via a tablet device, so it's of paramount importance that you choose a supplier who has a mobile-first approach. Our booking software is fully mobile responsive, giving your customers the best user experience they can find from booking online. Our pricing plans are very simple and straightforward, with no hidden costs. The three most popular pricing tiers are Pro, Business and Enterprise. There are 6 different sub-tiers within the Enterprise plan, which start at £250 a month. The volume of bookings and level of support drive the pricing level, and are dependent upon your individual needs. More information on this can be found on our website's pricing page, where you can see a detailed breakdown of what each plan has to offer by clicking View Detailed Pricing. Our plans work in a similar way to a phone contract, in that if you go over the number of bookings, you will be charged. The charge of this is 20p per booking, but bear in mind that bookings can contain multiple participants, so view this as more as 20p per transaction. If you continue to go over your monthly allowance, it is easy to upgrade your pricing plan as your business grows to prevent these charges. Various support options are available, from a user manual to online forums and help desks, as well as phone support and on-site support. Alongside booking software, we also offer optional website design, search optimization, EPOS, and integrations with third-party services to provide SMS reminders and quick address lookups. We have a comprehensive rate card which we're happy to send over to you. Just get in touch with a member of staff. When you sign up for Booking Live, you'll be assigned a dedicated project manager who will guide you through setup and configuration from start to finish, as well as providing you with any additional training and overseeing development. I'm now going to show you a quick tour of the administration system. To access the admin system, you simply log in with your email and password. Once you've logged in, you will see modules running on the left-hand side of the screen. These run throughout the admin system, allowing ease of navigation. The first screen you'll see is this dashboard, which allows you to create panels. These display interactive information, from the weather to an overview of orders and reports. You can minimise and maximise the admin system as it is mobile responsive, which is particularly useful when accessing it across various mobile and tablet devices. This is where admin users will spend the majority of their time viewing and managing products and events. Events are a schedule, a date and time a product is available, and products can be anything from a paintball activity to a cookery course or even a meeting room. Here you can view all products and events that you have created and a summary of how many spaces are available for each event. Within this section, it's also possible to filter down by location, resource and product. You can also change the view, so you can view bookings on a daily, weekly, monthly or yearly basis. If you click into an event, it opens a pop-up which summarises the booking information. This includes what bookings and customers are attending an event, as well as some shortcut items where I'm able to initiate a new booking or order, send a notification in the form of an email or text to all attendees, check in attendees, which allows various reports to be run, including registers. I can also view the waiting list. An example of the waiting list is if I have 20 spaces available which become fully booked. The Book Now button becomes Join Waiting List on your website, and admin users can then manage the waiting list within this section. Clicking one of these buttons, such as this, opens a new window where you can modify the content, insert some merge tags before sending the message out. We also have some basic resource management, such as assigning staff members to a particular event, which allows them to log in and view customers and bookings that they've been assigned to. In the Customer section, there's the ability to filter customers using the fields on the left-hand side. You can search for specific customers via name, email address, postcode, etc., which will update the results shown here on the right. The system displays customer information such as name, email address, and also more specific information such as how many orders have been created, what the total revenue is, any outstanding balances, and what the average spend is per customer. By clicking on this blue arrow, the customer data is reloaded, which saves time and improves data accuracy during the booking process. By clicking into the customer profile, I can see a summary of who the customer is, with the ability to add an image, which is especially useful for businesses who are interested in using the membership module. By using the membership module, each customer is provided with a membership card, so when they arrive at the location, for example a leisure centre, staff members can swipe the customer in, verify their identity before giving them access to the facility. Customers can also be assigned to groups, as well as tags and labels, which is where you can add custom filters. Below this summary, there is a table displaying all the orders or bookings that the customer has made. Now going to move on to the Orders section. Again, this section of the system has filters which run along the left-hand side, which we can use to update the results on the right. This section provides a quick snapshot of order information. By clicking into a specific order, again you are able to see customer information, brief order information, as well as an Actions button, which allows admin users to modify the order or resend confirmation emails. The table below contains information surrounding the products booked, including date, time, location, total cost, etc. Again, below this, there is the ability to add any relevant notes or attachments. You will have noticed that throughout Booking Live, there are tabs running on the top right-hand corner. Within the Orders section, it's possible to view what has been booked, including attendees' details, which you can then click into to modify on this screen. There are also tabs to display transaction, so this displays information such as how much has been received and when, the payment method, along with the ability to process refunds and additional transactions. Within this section, users have the ability to view the full booking history and future actions applied to a specific order, as well as being able to cancel the order and send any texts or emails to the customers. The next section I want to show you is Reports. Booking Live have developed a very powerful suite of reports, which allows you to create custom reports. Within this attendees report, you can see I've set up a demo report. I've now filtered this by year to date. And there are also additional filters where you can specify days of the week, locations, products, and whether or not the customer has checked in. All of these filters update the table below. All reports can be exported in different formats, including Excel, PDF, and CSV. It is also possible to change the default report by clicking Duplicate, which opens a pop-up with the ability to add on various different custom columns. If you are looking to capture information such as height, weight, shoe size, medical information, dietary information, or more from your customers, you can add these columns on as part of the report. Additional report settings include the ability to add your logo and custom columns. Once you've modified the report, you simply click Save, and it will be automatically added to this drop-down list. As you can see, this allows you to create multiple versions of specific reports for your own needs. I mentioned earlier that Booking Live has a very exciting roadmap. One of the enhancements included in this is the ability to schedule reports to be emailed to your inbox on a daily, weekly or monthly basis. Along with attendees reports, there are orders reports, payments reports and volume reports, which all work in a similar way. If you are interested in using webhooks, JSON feeds or our API, please do let one of our team know and they'll be able to discuss this further with you. The next section I'm going to show you is the inbuilt content management system, or CMS, which is more commonly known as the page editor. Booking Live's page editor is included with all price plans and allows you to create an individual web page for each product. Many Booking Live clients opt for the booking system and website design in one, which provides your customers with excellent user experience. If we take a look at an individual product page, such as this one, the first thing you'll see is the layout editor. There is also the ability to preview what the page will look like across various devices. As Booking Live is mobile responsive, it will work across all devices. To add widgets, you simply click the widgets button and drag and drop the widget onto the page. This pop-up will then display, allowing you to input the required information for setup. There is also the ability to preview what the page will look like across various devices. As Booking Live is mobile responsive, it will work across all devices. Changes made within the page editor are updated in real time, with the option of saving the version as a draft or publishing it directly to your website. The CMS is also great for search engine optimization. You can modify the metadata, page URL, and Google sitemaps are auto-generated. You can also integrate your Booking Live CMS with Google Analytics, revert to previous pages within the History tab, and access a whole host of other settings. Booking Live also comes loaded with a file management system, allowing you to upload documents and images to your website or as attachments in emails. Next, we'll take a look at General Settings. Here, users have the ability to enter business data, logos, registration number, tax details, and to configure the look and feel of the website. Within here, you can modify the header and footer, and developers or web agencies that you may work with have the ability to change the CSS, allowing you to completely change the look and feel of your booking system and website to match your company branding. All of this is under your control, as well as the ability to change content on the booking pages, confirmation screen, and enable things such as single sign-on or cookie bars. It's extremely easy to create and manage products. Simply click the green Add Product button, which will display a screen similar to this. Within here, users have the ability to manage the product name, pricing and more. The product pricing can be set up in categories or concessions, for example, adult, child, member and non-member. Users also have the ability to manage the description, thumbnail and booking view, minimum participant numbers and tax codes. You can also assign booking forms, so specific customer information is collected on a per-product basis. There are two terms to remember here, purchaser and participant. Purchaser is the person making the booking, and the participant is the person attending the booking, although these can both be the same person. The customer can simply input their details once, and they'll be automatically copied into both forms. Once the product is created, you'll need to set up events. Here you can quickly and easily create events that can be run one-offs or repeats. To do this, you simply click on the calendar. For example, I could enter a capacity, location, resource, staff, and then specify the exact start and end time. I then simply click the Save button, and the one-off event is created. If I want to create a repeated event, I open this section and specify when I want the event to be repeated before clicking Save. Something we're very proud of at Booking Live is that our clients have complete control over the booking software, allowing you to maintain the system yourself. If you ever need any help or support, we have a dedicated support team who are available to help you out. An example of client modification is the data captured from customers in the booking forms. If I want to add a new field, I simply click the green button and select the one I'm looking for from the extensive list. If none of these match your requirements, you can add your own custom fields. There are some additional settings here to determine whether or not the field is mandatory, etc. Once that is set up and updated, it is applied to the system in real time. There's also a notifications section within Booking Live. This allows you to configure all content sent to customers, including confirmation messages and reviews. Let's take a look at the confirmation email. Here you are able to define the content and use some of the predefined merge tags, such as name and booking summaries. You can modify the email to include HTML, images, or any other branding material, as well as previewing what it will look like before it's sent out. Emails are sent through a third party called SendGrid, which maximizes the chances of delivery and allows you to log in and view email stats, including bounce rates and open rates. There are a variety of other settings within the system, allowing you to configure payment gateways from a choice of over 30, including SagePay, WorldPay, Civica and PayPal. There are also settings to manage promotions, so users can set up promotional codes or packages, which may take up monetary values or percentages, which can then be applied to specific products. You can also sell memberships, which will take automatic monthly payments very similar to direct debits. Through these memberships, customers can log into their account and book online. Utilising our electronic point of sale item allows you to manage walk-in customers that simply don't have the time to go through the full booking process. Alongside payment gateways, we have integrations with CRM systems, email marketing systems, postcode lookups, SMS and more. So if you are looking to integrate with anything in particular, please do let us know and we'll be able to advise you further. So that concludes today's demo. This demo was designed to give you a quick overview of the system's key features, but is by no means an extensive list. If you would like to see anything in more detail, please do let us know and we'll take the time to show you. Throughout the system, you'll have noticed the green Help button. This takes you to our user manual, which is fully documented with images and step-by-step instructions on how to use Booking Live. In this first example, this client is using our API to pull the information within their website. Here you can see they've developed a search widget which allows them to filter results and push their customers through the booking journey as quickly and easily as possible, which is in keeping with their brand. By clicking into this particular page, I have all the information I need from the booking system, and the Book Now button takes me straight through into the booking process. The booking process has 4 steps, and your customers can very quickly and easily see what progress they've made during that booking journey. On this first screen, the customer can see the title, description, a thumbnail, the cost, and the ability to add on as many participants as they wish. Customers then need to select the event they wish to attend, which will then be added to the bottom of the page, allowing them to continue with the booking. In this example, the booking system is set up with a list view, which is suited to businesses who have 20 events or less. This next example is a client who has a Booking Live website and booking system in one, providing a seamless customer experience. The customer will never leave this website, and everything is under HTTPS, giving your customers peace of mind and adding an extra layer of security. Also in this example, WV Active are using the most popular booking calendar, where their customers can click in and select their desired date and time. This display is useful for companies who are running multiple dates and times within their availability. This particular interface is really useful for those who might be booking out meeting rooms, venues, or any other similar resources. If I select tomorrow and specify that I want the meeting room for 2 hours, first of all we can see there's a booking already in here. But then I can also select 8 AM and it'll add the details below with the VAT or tax breakdown, allowing me to then continue. This final example is applicable for those who might have products such as football pitches, holiday schemes, or anything that allows your customers to select more than one event. For example, I can select Thursday, Friday, and Thursday. so more than one event. I can then book these for the next 6 weeks, for example. If there's availability, this will then all be added to my basket quickly and easily. For those clients who may have AM and PM bookings which are multi-select, this is the best interface. Let's now take a look at the booking journey from start to finish. Again, I can come in as the customer and select the event I wish to book on, as well as adding any optional extras. Many of our clients have noticed a big increase in revenue through Booking Live's ability to upsell items relevant to the booking. At the bottom of the screen, the customer has the ability to click into a question to view the answer. Again, we recommend keeping these relevant to the booking process. For example, how secure is the booking system? When will I receive my confirmation? What's the cancellation policy? The types of questions your customers would be asking during the booking journey. If I continue through to stage 2 of 4, this allows us to see a summary of what's in the basket, as well as the ability to add on any promo codes, which will deduct a fixed amount or a percentage from the total amount. If I then go through to checkout, the customer has the ability to log in, which preloads all the information into these existing fields. I'm just going to quickly enter some information into these boxes here. I now have the ability to select which participants have attended previously. Otherwise, I can click the link to say I'm attending, and it will hide the fields below. This is great for customer experience on both desktop and non-desktop devices. Scrolling down, there are some prerequisites that I have to complete, such as the terms and conditions, before continuing with my booking. There is also the ability to add childcare vouchers if you wish to set those up within your admin system. Just below that, there's a summary of what is actually in my basket before I go through to the checkout. If I was logged in as a customer, I'd be redirected to the secure payment gateway, and once the payment is complete, the customer is then directed back to the booking system, where they'll see the confirmation screen, and their order is complete. However, because I'm logged in as an admin user, I see this additional screen. This screen allows me to select a different method of payment, for example cash. I'm going to go ahead and complete this booking, however you can take part payments. At this point, the money is on its way to your bank account, the customer is sent the confirmation email, and the customer now has their own account, which they can log into to view their orders, complete any outstanding payments, and edit their details. Just to recap on some of the options to integrate with your website, you can use the subdomain, which can be branded to meet your company's website. You can host the website and booking system with us. You can use an iframe, or of course our API. Thank you very much for your time today. My name's Caitlin Roxburgh, and if you haven't been in touch with us yet, head to our website and click Contact Us to phone or email us. The team will then be in touch and will be able to provide you with a quote and timescales. Thank you very much, have a great day, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.